Hi, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a little review of this. This is called AAWireless. It is a little gadget that is basically supposed to make your wired Android Auto into a wireless Android Auto. So I assume AA stands for Android Auto Wireless. Now, what I mean by that, if you have an older generation infotainment in your car like I do, you must use a cable to connect your phone in order to use Android Auto. And let me show you. So here's the screen of my infotainment system. Here at the top I have a button called App. So if I press it, it will switch over and say please connect the device via USB. Now, I don't want to have cables in the middle hanging around, so I hate that. And so today we're gonna try this little thing. So let's open the package and basically here it is. It's a very simple device, one button, nothing else. You have a cable underneath, and by the way, this is a completely honest review. I'm not biased or anything, so I will tell everything what I think about the device, and we'll see if it works as it is advertised. So here's a cable, and you also have instructions. Pretty straightforward. According to the instructions, you have to connect it to your car's USB, pair your phone, and voila, you have a wireless Android Auto. So before we do that, I have a USB port right there next to the 12 volts, but I don't want to use that. I don't want to have stuff here all the time. So instead, I'm gonna be using the USB port under my armrests. Fortunately, I have another one right over there, and this is where I'm going to connect the device. So let me just plug it in, and like this. The button should light up. There we go. It is green. Now there are different colors in the instruction book. You can check them all, and I think if it's pairing, this button in the middle, it should be purple, like a solid purple color. Well, now it's purple, but I don't think it's pairing currently. But anyway, the button has a couple different functionalities. Basically, when you're pairing, you hold it for 2 seconds. If you click it once, it's gonna switch to the next phone, which means that you can connect multiple phones. You can pair multiple phones to this device, and by by clicking actually once, you will switch to the next phone that is on the list. And if you hold it for 10 seconds, it is going to be reset to default settings. So now I'm going to take my phone, and I'm gonna try and pair it. Let me just see where I can leave the camera so you guys can also see everything. So there's an infotainment in my car, and at the same time I will record my screen on my phone so you can follow with. We're looking for, well, it doesn't, okay, here it is, AAWireless. I suppose I'll click on that one. Allow access to your account, yes, pair, and it is flashing green right now, and I suppose it is paired, synchronizing Android Auto connect to your car. Synchronizing, loading. Okay, I want to connect. Can I choose here? Please note that transfer, yes. It is still connecting, or at least trying to connect. connect device. No, that is not what I want. I want to connect. It does say connected to my car, and it says looking for Android Auto. Well, this is what I want. I want Android Auto. Yes. Oh, okay.
At this point I was a little confused, because my car's screen was saying to check my phone to start Android Auto, but my phone was saying to continue use your car screen, and I was wondering what the heck is going on. Took me a good few minutes to notice that there was another window that popped in the background on my phone with a message welcome to Android Auto and a continue button that I had to press in order to enable it.
Yep. All right. It was my bad. There was another screen at the background, which I didn't see, and I had to press continue in order to basically start Android Auto. So, yeah. I mean, it is as easy as they say. It was just my fault. I didn't see that. So, and apparently it works. So here's my Spotify, and then we have different albums, and I have Google Maps, but I haven't actually activated my location. So here are other apps that you can use. All right. Well, I suppose it works. Question is it going to work without issues? So I'm going to be using this device for from now on, actually, and I will let you know if I have any issues. They do have an app where you can update I believe the firmware on the device, as well as you can customize some of the functionalities of the button. So let me just quickly connect to it. Is display mode is enabled. Okay, display mode right now. Searching for devices. It does connect Android Auto directly right now, but the app doesn't want to find the device. Well, after trying for a couple of more minutes, I still couldn't connect it to the app, so I guess this is a problem number one with the device. I managed to connect it to the car pretty quickly. There was my fault. There was a screen underneath on my phone, underneath all the other screens that I couldn't see, where I had to press continue in order to enable Android Auto on my car. So now it is working, but yeah, the issue I'm having right now, I couldn't connect it to the app. But I will keep using this device from now on and see if I encounter any other issues. So so far I would say I would give it a 6 out of 10. It's working properly, but the app is not working, at least for me right now. So I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in trying this app. The price is 60 euros ish, which is I think a reasonable price. If it was 50 or below, that would be way too cheap. If it was 100 or above, that would be way overpriced. So I think they hit the price just right. I just wish that everything was working flawlessly from the box. So yeah, if you're interested in that device, as I said, I will leave a link down in the description. It's not an affiliate link, so I don't get anything from it, just a link to their website. Yeah, If you found this video helpful, make sure you click that subscribe button, and see you next time.